Everyone thinks the best-selling sleeper chairs are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Columny Convertible Sleeper Chair. Let's kick things off with the Columny Convertible Sleeper Chair. Priced at $206.99, this chair caught my eye with its 3-in-1 functionality. If you want a flexible solution for small spaces, this is worth a serious look. What really stands out here is the adjustable backrest that lets you choose your angle, whether you're lounging, reading, or sleeping. With 3 positions at 106 degrees, 120 degrees, and 180 degrees, you can customize your comfort. It also features a built-in USB port for charging devices and a foldable side table, which is perfect for snacks or your laptop. The sturdy metal frame supports up to 300 pounds, giving you peace of mind when you sit or sleep. Now, some people mention that assembly can be tricky, especially if you're not handy. But here's the thing. Once it's set up, it's a solid chair that delivers on functionality and comfort. This is perfect for you if you're in a small apartment and need a multifunctional chair. Skip this one if you have a larger space and want a more traditional sofa setup. For the price, you really get a lot of value here, especially for guests or relaxing evenings. Now, if the assembly of the Columny chair concerns you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Tybodal Sleep Chair Bed. Next, we have the Tybodal Sleep Chair Bed, which is priced at just $113.04. What I love about this chair is its 5-in-1 versatility. If you want a cozy, multifunctional seating option, you should definitely keep this on your radar. This chair converts into a chaise lounge, a floor chair, and even a single sofa bed, making it a great addition for unexpected guests. The removable cover makes cleaning easy, and the side pockets are awesome for storing your essentials. Plus, it holds a weight capacity of 450 pounds, so it's sturdy enough for daily use. However, some users found the fabric to be a bit rough against the skin. But honestly, for the price and functionality, it's a minor issue compared to the convenience it offers. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a chair that can adapt to different uses in tight spaces. Skip it if you prefer something with a softer touch. Overall, it's a great deal for a 5-in-1 chair that fits well in any room. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who love simplicity. Product number 3, Hilero Folding Sofa Bed. Now, let's talk about the Hilero Folding Sofa Bed, which is one of the most affordable options on this list at $89.99. This chair packs a punch with its 4-in-1 design. If you're after something budget-friendly yet functional, this is worth checking out. You can fold it into various configurations: a floor sofa, a folding chair bed, and more. It even comes with a storage bag, making it easy to transport for camping or guest use. Plus, it has pockets on the side for your phone or a book, which is a nice touch. However, some reviews pointed out that the cushioning might not be thick enough for some users' comfort. But here's the thing. If you're using it for short-term stays or casual lounging, it's still quite comfortable and gets the job done. This is perfect for you if you're a student or someone who frequently hosts guests in small spaces. Skip this one if you're looking for something with a plush feel. You really can't beat the price for what you get. Alright, if storage space was a concern for you, the next product has a unique solution. Product number 4, Velarise Folding Sofa Bed. Next up is the Velarise Folding Sofa Bed, priced at $94.99. This one impressed me with its multifunctional design. If you want a compact solution that doesn't sacrifice comfort, this could be your pick. It easily transforms from a sofa bed to a long sofa and even a folding chair, depending on your needs. It features a detachable back and lumbar pillow that support your comfort while sitting or lounging. The lightweight design makes it easy to move around your home, and it fits perfectly in small spaces. On the downside, some users said it took a while to expand fully after unpacking. But honestly, with a little patience, you'll have a comfortable chair that meets your needs. This is perfect for you if you value versatility and are short on space. Skip it if you want something that feels more like a traditional sofa. It's a smart choice for its price and functionality. Now, If you're looking for a stylish option, the final product might catch your eye. Product number 5, iHo 3-in-1 Sleeper Chair Bed. Finally, let's check out the iHo 3-in-1 Sleeper Chair Bed, which is priced at $169.88. This chair really caught my attention with its sleek design. If you want something that looks good while being functional, this might be the one for you. It converts easily from a chair to a recliner to a bed, making it versatile for any living space. The high-quality steel frame supports up to 400 pounds, and the adjustable backrest has 3 angles for your comfort. It even comes with an extra pillow for added support. However, some users found the assembly slightly complicated, taking longer than expected. But honestly, once it's set up, you're left with a stylish and sturdy chair that's worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a modern aesthetic and need a flexible seating solution. Skip it if you prefer something that's ready to use right out of the box. It's a solid investment for your living space. So, to wrap it up, we've covered 5 great, affordable sleeper chairs. The Colony for its 3-in-1 function, the Tybodal for its 5-in-1 versatility, the Hilero for its budget-friendly design, the Velarise for its compactness, and the iHo for its stylish appeal. Each has its pros and cons, but they all offer value in their own way. Choose the one that fits your needs best and enjoy the extra comfort.